Hey gardeners, welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's video, we'll be deep diving onto our channel from the 2025 growing year. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. Now, 2025 was packed with lots of projects and many new things I started in my garden. I am very pleased with what I accomplished this year. And the main thing I would have to say, thanks to the Lord, that I am very thankful for is my channel. We're currently sitting over 7,000 subscribers, which thinking back to it is just mind-blowing. When I started back in 2019, I started as a very tiny gardener wanting to just showcase my love for the garden and the plants I was growing. And now as I am turning 19 in approximately almost 2 weeks, and I've been doing this for almost 7 years now, it has been a blast. And I wouldn't have done it without God, of course, being number one, and number two, all of my viewers and supporters, which is all of you. As today is the last day of 2025, I sit back and reflect how much my channel has grown, how many connections I have developed this year, and overall the experiences I built this year. I got to meet some very cool garden friends like David from Bowtie Life Gardens, the Gambling Gardeners, the Slightly Knowledgeable Gardener, and so many more came across this year. And I've also got to partner with many companies, including a company that I have dreamt with working with, which is Epic Gardening. Kevin Espirito is one of my good friends from the very beginning. He actually helped me out a lot in my beginning stages of my channel. As a matter of fact, many of my viewers come from his channel as he shouted me out and supported my channel. So of course, a huge thanks is to him as well for all the support he has given me and all the words of encouragement. As some of you guys know, I used to own a nursery in Parkland, which was one of the best experiences of my life because I got to live my dream truly, which is ultimately. And although we have parted ways, the nursery and I, we are starting a new venture starting 2026. And as you guys saw with the video I posted, I am currently working on my very own nursery here in my very own backyard, which is super exciting and is a project that I've been anticipating to dive right into and share my love for plants, share my love for growing my own food with other people in my local community. As we're sitting today, where my channel is at, I am super proud of what we have accomplished, but definitely hitting 10,000 subscribers would be just mind-blowing to me. Would be, I don't know how to put it into words. I would just be very grateful and very fortunate to get to that accomplishment, which I've never really expected me to get that far. But hey, here we are, and we're less than 3,000 subscribers away. So if you're new to the channel, I'm an 18-year-old permaculturist here in South Florida. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn about how to grow your own food in your very own backyard. So once again, as we have a few hours left of 2025, it's just time to reflect on the work we've done as gardeners in our gardens, the plants we've gone through, the accomplishments we've made, and for us content creators, the accomplishments we've made online. Because although there's lots of gardeners out there online, we're all unique to our own selves, and we all have a special place for the gardening community. So as I wrap up this video, I just want to thank all of you guys for the support you guys have given me for this year. I once again cannot wait for the projects I have in store for all of you for 2026. So make sure to stay along with us, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss when I release a new video. Like this video, share with your friends and family so we can have more gardeners in their gardening community. And as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family. And never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, everyone, and Happy New Year's.